serve this. Our eggs Kejriwal is done. Enjoy your breakfast. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fall for Food. Now today we are going to make a special breakfast which is very common in Bombay. It is a eggs Kejriwal. Now for that first thing we do is butter the buns. You can also take ordinary sliced bread also. It works well with that also. And we will toast it. Now there's a little story behind this eggs Kejriwal, how it came into existence. There was one Mr. Kejriwal, Arvind Prasad Kejriwal, who used to visit Wellington Club in Bombay. He was a vegetarian but loved his eggs. So he used to tell the chef that no one should know that he is having the egg and to hide his egg in the vegetables. That's how this came into existence. And of course now it is quite famous worldwide and it's very tasty. It's simple and very tasty. We just have to toast our buns or bread. It's up to you, whatever you want. It has nothing to do with Mr. Kejriwal in Delhi. Needs to fry a little more. Flip the buns. Let's see, yes. It's done. Now when it's still hot, we will add the slice of cheese on it. The cheese should not melt completely, but a little. And we just keep it on that. The other things that we need for this is very simple, just 4 things. That is chopped onion, very fine, coriander or cilantro, green chilies and tomatoes. Of course I am making 2, so I'll use eggs for that. Now there is no hard and fast rule how many or how much. It's up to your liking that you can use. I've added a little butter and oil. I'm using the small pan because the egg will hold the shape. Now once your oil is hot, place in your egg. Let it set a little. Now this depends how you want your egg. If you want it a little on the runny side, keep it like that. If you want it a little firm, do that. Now we're going to add some onion, but do not put it on the yolk. Add everything on the white. Let's add some tomatoes. Green chilies. He liked his eggs nice and spicy, so he asked them to put a lot of green chilies. And a little bit of salt for your eggs, a little bit of pepper, and top it up with some chili flakes. Do it to your desired, the way you like it. If you like extra cheese, you could always add some more cheese on top. Now let's remove our egg and put it on our cheese. Yes. I haven't set it well. That's melting. Can you see that? That's absolutely oozing out and melting. Our eggs Kejriwal is done to perfection. Do enjoy it, friends, and do subscribe to our channel.